TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida. 1 p.m. Eastern time, 3 hours left until that closing bell. Let's check in on the markets as all major indices are higher, but somewhat off the highs that we had early in the session. Looking at Dow Jones, positive by 147 points, or almost 0.6%, trading at 26,224. S&P is positive by 6 points, or just over 0.2%, trading at 2828. And NASDAQ positive by 21 points, or 0.3%, trading at 74.26. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform, dig into some of those futures markets with 3 hours left to go in the trading day. Start things off with the S&P 500, currently trading 2830. We were as high as about 2838 early in the session, about at that opening bell. Traded to below 2825 about, and from there we're up about 5 points. We'll see where the day leads us. Dow 30, somewhat of a similar pattern, currently trading 26,208, up above 26,300 as around that opening bell. Pulled back a bit, getting a little bit of a bid as we speak. NASDAQ 100, 69.67, was up above 69.90 early in the session. We'll see where that leads us. Crude oil, 64.48. And of course, this morning, 10:30 a.m. Eastern time on Wednesdays, you get the EIA inventory report coming in with quite a surplus, about 6.8 million barrels. Expectation was only an increase of about 126,000 barrels. We saw a spike lower initially with the big surplus, but that did not hold, getting quite a little bid as we speak. Crude trading 64.51. Gold contract struggling a bit. Gold trading 13.42. We're up above 1348 right around 10:30 a.m. this morning. And Bitcoin struggling a bit as well. 99.91 below that 10,000 mark as Bitcoin continues to struggle. And as we jump around, Bitcoin, one of the headlines this morning, heading for possibly its biggest monthly decline since January 2015. Opened the month of January, the year of 2018, at about 13,412, and right now under that 10,000 price point. This morning, we had private jobs, ADP payrolls, 234,000 versus an expectation of 185,000. Jobs continue to doing well. Of course, we have payrolls on Friday, and 1 hour from right now, we get the Fed announcement. Janet Yellen, her final meeting. We'll see if that has any expectations, really no expectation for a rate hike, but we'll see what she has to say in terms of her final meeting. And of course, it's earnings season. We got Facebook and Microsoft today. Stay tuned. Steve Rhodes right now. Have a great afternoon, everybody.